One of the most influential principles shaping our reality and capable of profoundly transforming our lives is known as the mirror principle. This powerful transformation doesn't hinge on a specific technique or strategy that demands action. Rather, it revolves around the person you aspire to become. For instance, if your goal is to achieve millionaire status, the crux lies in becoming a millionaire internally before witnessing external manifestations. Without this internal shift, you might find yourself continually shifting locations, erroneously attributing the issue to external factors. The fundamental insight of the mirror principle is clear. Without internal change, external circumstances remain unaffected. Mastery of this principle holds the key to turning everything you touch into gold. Yet it necessitates confronting your inner demons, acknowledging reflections that may be uncomfortable. If you're genuinely poised for significant change, this video is tailored for you. I'll also introduce a vital exercise that continues to shape my life. Today we delve into unraveling this principle and its potential to revolutionize your life. The mirror of reality reflects your relationship with both yourself and the world, encompassing your inner and outer worlds. Consider the example of aspiring to become a millionaire. If your relationship with money is rooted in self-doubt and the belief that you are incapable of making money, the mirror of reality responds accordingly. It reinforces your belief, presenting more evidence of your perceived inability to generate wealth, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. Remember this crucial point. The external world serves as a reflection molded by the internal image. Observing the world around us, it's evident that many are increasingly engrossed in the external frenzy, immersed in technology, social media, and the demands of daily life. Amidst this, the connection with our inner wisdom, the inner essence we once mastered, often gets lost. Let's explore the 4 keys that empower you to shape reality in alignment with your desires. When delving into concepts like the law of attraction, the recurring theme is the idea that reality functions as a mirror, and our aim is to influence that mirror. The first fundamental key of the mirror principle underscores that the mirror of reality reflects 2 fundamental aspects: your relationship with yourself and your relationship with the world. Essentially, what you see in the mirror of reality is a projection of how you perceive yourself and the world. If you view yourself through a lens of inadequacy, the mirror will simply echo that belief, reinforcing the narrative and providing further evidence of your perceived limitations. The reflection we perceive is deeply rooted in the messages we transmit to the mirror of reality. This mirror serves as a steadfast companion, always ready to affirm our beliefs. Rather than attempting direct manipulation of the reflected image, our focus should be on transforming the image we project. This parallels the art of influencing others. While a direct command may provoke defiance, motivation, and inspiration, often lead to greater receptivity. Our aim, therefore, is to shape our world indirectly. The mirror of reality faithfully mirrors our inner truths, reflecting our beliefs about ourselves, our identity, and our worldview. Understanding this is paramount. It's one of the fundamental keys to unlocking our potential. How, then, can we disrupt this pattern and consciously choose our desired reality? The key lies in crafting our own identity and worldview, our paradigm. Consider envisioning your long-term aspirations. What daily activities do you see yourself engaged in 10 years from now? What elements contribute to a life of continuous discovery? Reflect on who you are becoming in pursuit of these goals. Define your worldview in this envisioned reality. How do you perceive the world as you live this reality? Craft powerful affirmations that affirm both your identity and your worldview. For instance, affirm, "I am worthy," "I attract abundance effortlessly," and "the universe conspires in my favor. Everything unfolds according to divine timing." Through consistent repetition and internalization of these affirmations, profound transformations will unfold. Remember, even if achieving your desires seems daunting now, persistence and patience will yield results over time. respect your journey, yet refuse to be constrained by fear. Moving on to key number 2. Understand that the reflection we observe in the material world is subject to a delay. While we can conjure images instantly in our inner world through visualization, the physical dimension operates differently. Manifestations take time due to the inherent density of matter. Holding on to your established beliefs is essential. Persist in embodying the identity and worldview you've crafted until your desires materialize. Embrace the identity of the person you aspire to be, acting in accordance with that vision. Hold firm to this identity, allowing your aspirations to gradually manifest in reality. An intriguing phenomenon unfolds when individuals embark on this journey. They come to realize the ebb and flow of life. Initially, they establish a belief, an identity, anticipating the realization of their goals, only to find no immediate results. As a consequence, their mood begins to decline, along with their belief. When their mood reaches its nadir, the manifestation suddenly reveals itself. However, it emerges tainted by the previous negative attitude, setting off a cycle that cannot be evaded. Ups and downs become an inevitable part of their existence. The crux lies in unwavering loyalty to the identity and worldview they've constructed, as this remains the most potent catalyst for substantial life changes. Now, on to the next key, which I find profoundly impactful and personally practice daily. Understand that the mirror of reality does not reflect the nature of your thoughts, but rather their refined essence. Consider this. If you consistently express dissatisfaction, the mirror doesn't reflect the general sentiment of hate, but rather its specific content, such as despising certain bills or your job. Consequently, more situations arise to exacerbate these dissatisfactions. This underscores the fundamental disparity between a scarcity mentality and an abundance mindset, seeing the glass as half full rather than half empty. To implement this principle, focus on what you desire and already possess. Redirect your attention towards your current blessings, progress, and aspirations. By bridging the gap between your present and desired life, you gradually expand your comfort zone, thereby affecting change. A critical aspect of key number 3. Key number 4, the mirror cycle holds transformative potential. Mastery of this cycle imbues you with the ability to witness reality shifting before your eyes. It commences with observation. Reflect on past attitudes, complaints, and unconscious choices. This forms your present reality. However, the trap lies in perpetually revisiting this reflection, ensnared in a cycle of addiction and frustration. Breaking free demands internal transformation, transcending mere tactics and strategies. In essence, understanding and mastering these keys are pivotal to navigating the intricate dance between internal beliefs and external manifestations, ultimately guiding you towards profound personal evolution. It's crucial to remember a significant aspect. Fundamental change hinges on transforming our worldview and identity. To accomplish this, we must reverse the standard cycle. For most individuals, observation leads to image creation, culminating in reflection, a cycle akin to puppetry. However, aspiring to be true co-creators of our reality demands reversing this process. I speak from personal experience. Understanding this cycle transformed my life. Breaking free entails starting with the image we wish to manifest, turning away from current reflections rooted in past decisions. Conscious choices today shape tomorrow. As we choose our desired image, the mirror begins reflecting it gradually, albeit with delay. Instead of mere observation, we confirm. We acknowledge reflections that align with our chosen worldview and identity. By focusing solely on affirming elements, we set forth a transformational journey beyond imagination. Embracing these principles can revolutionize life. Initially skeptical on my spiritual journey, I witnessed remarkable results beyond expectation. As we explore the depths of the mirror of reality, We unveil an inner power often overlooked. Our surroundings echo our beliefs, identity, and worldview. The key to transformation lies in shaping our destiny with the image of who we aspire to be and what we aim to achieve. As we craft this new image, reality responds with incremental changes, guided by the limitless potential of the mirror. Like the alchemist transmuting lead into gold, we possess the ability to transform our lives through an abundance mindset, focusing on both our present blessings and future aspirations. Our journey through the mirror of reality is a quest for inner truth and a celebration of our creative prowess. May this knowledge illuminate your path, guiding you towards the reality of your dreams. Thank you for accompanying me on this journey. If this resonates with you, I encourage you to like, subscribe, and share this message with others. Your thoughts, reflections, and experiences are invaluable contributions. Until next time, take care, and may your journey be filled with wonder and transformation.